Hey guys, so before we get into the process of it, actually, I kind of want to go through some of the overview and what you can expect and how successful you can expect to be doing this. So essentially, you know, this cost me nothing. I literally built this email list. I believe it was 3 days ago, but I've been doing similar email lists with similar keywords for about I think 3 weeks now. Maybe yeah, roughly 3 weeks now. And you can see, I'm going to show you in a second just how successful you can be with it. But this is literally 1,000 deep of all targeted keywords. And granted, some of them, like this one right here, is not I'm actually going to delete this. And I'll go through how to, pinpoint and fix all these in the future with you. But the vast majority of them are legitimate, and you can fix them and make sure that they're sendable. And I'm going to show you how to go through this. Build this 100% for free. Costs you nothing. You're getting all these emails for free. You don't have to do any work for them. I'll show you how to do it. Just literally target keywords. But I pulled a snapshot really fast of one of my ClickFunnels accounts. And you can see just in the last 30 days, this is how successful I've been. And granted, this isn't like great money in 30 days, but this is just one of the things that I'm doing. And literally, I think I might have put in an hour or two of work, and that's even overestimating. So you can imagine, how scalable this process is if you really want to do it. I'm doing a lot of content creation things. I'm making these courses for you guys because it's my passion to do, content creation. And share these ideas with you so you can learn. But I definitely do this on the side as one of my other things on top of private labeling and a bunch of other things. And this has been a phenomenal supplemental income source for me. So you can see here that it's a little bit sporadic. These are the days that I sent out emails, obviously. And if I could pull up a snapshot of the rest of them, you would notice that they're literally daily. I think my best day was like $750, but literally that was the very first email list of I think it was like 50,000 people I generated. I haven't generated, big email lists like that. This one was about 4,000 or 5,000, I believe, yesterday. I'm going to show you literally how I got, the click-through rates and everything, how to retarget all that. But I've literally done, an hour, maybe two max for this, and it's been really easy. So I'm going to go through all this, how it's possible for you, and how you can do it. But we're going to jump into that in the next lecture. I'm going to go through the entire process and the very first thing that you need to do before you can start targeting and building your email list.